Okay, so let's discuss the solution or the supplement part of the of the topic, climate change and its effect. So first of all, the difficult words that I found when I was reading the paragraph is coral reefs. Coral reefs are underwater structures formed by accumulation of coral polyps, providing habitats for a diverse range of marine organisms. Now, what is coral polyps are small, soft-bodied organisms that build coral reefs by secreting a hard external skeleton made of calcium carbonate. They have a symbiotic relationship with algae called zooxanthellae. Coral reefs are diverse ecosystem. Coral reefs are diverse ecosystems facing uh, threats, and their conservation is vital for marine life and biodiversity preservation. Marine means relating to the sea or ocean. OCEAN means ocean, relating to the sea or ocean, pertaining to or inhabiting the water. Scarcity, insufficiency or shortage of something, a lack of availability or abundance. Exacerbate, intensify a problem, aggravates a problem, situation or condition. Mitigate, to lessen or reduce the severity, intensity or impact of something, to alleviate or make less harm. Resilience, the ability to recover or bounce back quickly from difficulties, challenges or adversity. The capacity to adopt and witness stress or change. I hope okay, let's now read the paragraph very quickly. Climate change is one of the most pressing challenges facing our planet today. It refers to the long-term shift in weather pattern and global temperature, primarily caused by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial process. The impacts of climate change are far-reaching and have profound consequences for both the natural world and the human societies. One of the most evident effects of the climate change is the rise in global temperature. As greenhouse gases trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, the planet experiences a steady increase in the average temperature. This leads to the melting of polar ice caps, rising sea levels, and changes in weather pattern, including more frequent and intense heat waves, drought, flood, and storms. These changes in weather pattern have severe implications for ecosystems and biodiversity. Many plants and animal species are struggling to adapt to the rapid shift in their habitats, leading to disruption in food chain and loss of biodiversity. Coral reefs are, for example, are under immense stress due to rising ocean temperature, resulting in the widespread coral bleaching and the loss of marine life. The consequences of climate change are not limited to the natural world alone, they also impact human societies in numerous ways. Vulnerable communities, particularly those in developing countries, bear the brunt of climate change's effect. Crop failure, crop failure, crop failure, water scarcity, and extreme weather events threaten food scarcity, security, and livelihood. Additionally, climate change exacerbates exacerbate social and economic inequalities, displaces population, and increase the risk of conflicts over resources. Okay. Additionally, climate change exacerbate social and economic inequalities, displaces the population, and increase the risk of conflict over resources. Addressing climate change requires collective action and global cooperation. Efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emission, transition to renewable energy resources, and promote sustainable practices are crucial in mitigating the impact of climate change. Furthermore, adaptation strategies must be implemented to help communities build resilience and cope with the changes already occurring. Okay, help. Furthermore, adaptation strategies must be implemented to help communities build resilience and cope with changes already occurring. In conclusion, climate change is an urgent global issue with far-reaching consequences. It affects ecosystem, biodiversity, and human society, uh, posing challenges to food security, water resources, and overall well-being. it is imperative that we take uh, immediate action to mitigate the cause of climate change and adapt to its inevitable effects. Only through collective efforts can we can protect our planet and ensure a sustainable future for generation to come or upcoming generation. Okay, now let's read the difficult words once again. Coral reefs, underwater structures formed by the accumulation of coral polyps, providing habitats for a diverse range of marine organisms. And what is coral polyps? Coral polyps are small soft bodied organisms that build coral reefs by scattering a hard external skeleton made of calcium carbonate. They have a symbiotic relationship with algae called zooxanthellae. Coral reefs are diverse ecosystems facing threats, and their conservation is vital for marine life and biodiversity preservation. Next is marine, related to the sea or ocean, pertaining to or inhabiting the water. Scarcity, insufficiency or shortage or lack of something, or availability or abundance, lack of availability or abundance. Exacerbate, exacerbate, aggravate or intensify a problem, situation or condition. Mitigate, to lessen or reduce the severity, intensity or impact of something, to alleviate or make less harmful. Resilience, the ability to recover or bounce back quicken from difficulties, challenges or adversity. Resilience means the ability to recover or bounce back quickly from difficulties, challenges or adversity. Adversity also means challenges or difficulties. Okay, ADVERSIT, SITY. The capacity to adopt and withstand stress or change. The capability or capacity to adopt and withstand stress or change is also known as resilience. Okay, so in this way, I have successfully completed the solution or the supplement part of the topic of day 9, that was the effect of climate change. Uh, in just 7 minutes, so I will end the video sharp at 8. So uh, first of all, I should be regular for from now onwards. I should be regular because the topics are also important for you all to know what are the topics, and for me also to improve my English. The regular practice is must, so I should not uh, delay or skip the day. So with this kind of words, I want to finish my talk. Jai Hind.